Run it all. I wake up. Yeah.
Hector, we got like a full Apex squad here. Lewis, Hector, and myself. Dream team on Apex. There, Hector. Keep that shit straight. You're so wobbly. Mandatory roundabout. It's really dark. There goes some Charlie. You in Discord? Ah!
I thought someone was stopping behind me.
Yeah.
Like a little one, I was like, I was gonna stop and I like freaked out. I was like, oh fuck! I didn't know if anybody was stopping.
I was just watching, but they always do. They always do stoppy, so it's like they go fast into it.
I know.
Hey, hey!
Where?
Behind us, I think the truck.
Ah fuck! Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's customs! Amigo! Lewis, you guys are gonna get deported. Lewis is gonna get deported right next to the border agent. Hey, I'm gonna tell him your name is Louise, and then what? Hey, you nervous, Hector?
Huh?
You nervous? You're dark, bro. Come on, get up next to him.
Did I show him?
Yeah, let him know. Hector!
I thought it was a security guard.
His name's Hector! Department of Homeland Security. Oh, it's a K9 too. Oh, you know you're fucked. Oh shit! Oh my god. Hector, buddy, you better hope you have your ID on you. Oh, that guy's laughing. There's some bumps here. I didn't realize we were going through some bumps. These bumps. It's fucking, why are these so bumpy? What did they build this over? Like a graveyard? Very strange. My wheelies are trash. My wheelies are trash. My wheelies are trash. My wheelies are trash. This is really bouncy. Hey, honk 3 times if you see a cop. Not 2, 3. Don't peggers. Shit. You motherfucker. It's fucked up, bro.
Got him.
go. Security. Security, security. Security. Hey, wheelies out.
Torment him?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Torment him?
I want to torment him.
We're having a standoff. This is fun.
Let's do it. I mean, I just don't want my wheelies to be shitty. Look at that slowest turn in. He's like, do I really have to deal with this shit?
Please don't hit me. Can't tell motherfucker just leave.
Don't you see my green and yellow and white strobes? Let's just fucking do wheelies. Oh, I feel bad now. He's really old. I feel really bad. What's up, Pops?
Is anybody in charge?
Yeah, we're all in charge.
We're about to leave. Huh? We're about to leave. We're just sitting here for a second. Okay, you're fine. I just let you know you should be fine now. Thank you, guys. Good night, sir.
No problem, man. Be safe.
You want to see some fat wheelies?
Oh, we're going. Okay. Hey, have a good night. Be safe. I just want to get his blood pressure up a little bit. All right, let's go. He's a nice old man. I feel bad now. He's so nice.
He's so upset.
He's so nice. I don't want to. He's like an old man.
He's upset though.
I know. Let's go. I feel like a dick. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. He looked like a nice old man. I just want to give him a little excitement. Alright guys, on that note, I'm going to end the video here. It's good to be back. Those rims are nice. I like that.
You said no brake, right?
I saw that. Oh, what? The whole time? He has handbrake.
What happened?
He's not using handbrake at all?
Go ahead. Yeah, he's just doing throttle.
The whole fucking time he's doing throttle.
Yeah, he has a handbrake, but he doesn't know how to use it.
Why am I next to him?